just think it's so unfair. I don't think that anybody deserves to feel less than.
The body that you've been comparing my current body to was the unhealthiest version of my body.
I was posting these things saying, it doesn't bother me, because I didn't want it to bother other people who are experiencing the same thing. All the while being in the room posting that cried my eyes out, because nobody deserves to hear those things.
Everybody has a body, and everybody's body communicates differently. Be your own superhero, live your own movie.
I don't want to spend my life wasting it worrying about how I look or what other people think, how other people perceive me to be, or what other people have to say about me.
God chose me to be great and to shine just like everyone else, but it's really about owning that and accepting that within yourself.
My body has been objectified my entire career. I never looked up to anyone because of their body. I was body positive then and I'm body positive now.
I think we should be gentler and less comfortable commenting on people's bodies, no matter what. There are many different ways to look healthy and beautiful.